pyramid selling. Yeah, the time has come for me to drum some facts into you about spelling. Oh, it seems to me your ABC skills are less than terrific. So buck up, boys, as we master the joys of the lovely hieroglyphic. Woo! Everyone needs their ABC. It's as simple as vulture foot basket. You know how to sing do, re, mi. Easy to spell, it's hand, eye, thingy, owl. ABC.
Vulture foot basket.
Do, re, mi.
Hand, eye, thingy, owl.
You'll pass with ease and find it's a breeze. The rules are scientific. Don't have to be smart, all you do is start with simple phonetic glyphics. Next you get 2 letters a set, morphemes called logographic. Finally third, the form of a word, determinatives.
Horrific!
Everyone needs their flamingo house sun. It's simple, but sun can mean duck, everyone. You all know how to write your name.
Except for me, Tutanefertiti Carmen.
Flamingo house sun.
Me stuck to sun.
Tutanefertiti Carmen.
Let's leave that one.
If you find it hard, don't be afraid to go and ask your mummy for aid. Now it's time for a spelling bee. That's not how you spell bee. See me. Foot, read, read, easy. Cat, pig, dog, rat, duck, frog. Make your spelling magnific. You can go up and down, left and right and around. No punctuation in hieroglyphic. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just 700 characters or so. Now that's done, let's have some fun with numbers, here we go! Everyone needs their 1, 2, 3. It's as simple as I. You can all count to 99. Easy to write, it's hoop, hoop, hoop. Hoop, 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 hoop. I. 1, 2, 3. 99.